If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I'm going to be talking about an exercise I like to use to work my upper back, some of my traps. We're going to be talking about the dumbbell high pull. Now, one thing that I will point out, I have seen a lot of things and a lot of people talking about using a high pull like this. I don't know, I've heard things saying that that's not the safest way to do that exercise. Personally, I like to use external rotation where I'm coming up and using those dumbbells and bringing that up towards my ears so that I'm more in external rotation and I can really feel those muscles contract. So let's take a look at how that works. I know for me, that seems to be the safest way to do it. So let's take a look. So first, you need to find the weights that work for you. You can even do this just body weight and just bringing your arms up and you can feel that contraction. But essentially, as I mentioned, instead of coming up with your shoulders and just bringing the dumbbells up towards your shrugging your shoulders like this, bringing the dumbbells up, you can squeeze those muscles as you come up and come down slowly. You can feel those muscles in your upper back contract, come back down. The rhomboids, our traps, a little bit of rear delts. So we're coming up, contract, external rotation, come back down. Pretty simple, but really gets a good contraction. Feels safer for me. Exercise that I love to use and to do, and it's pretty easy. You can use progressive overload to build up to whatever you feel comfortable. You start with lighter weights, even just using your arms to feel that contraction up there. You can really feel that mind-muscle connection, and as you come up, get that good contraction and come back down. A lot of times when we're doing lat pull downs or rows, we're gonna be working some of our upper back, but a lot of those big lat muscles, and we don't wanna forget about some of those upper and mid-upper muscles in our back to make sure that we're working all of the muscles within our back. So dumbbell high pull, check it out, something you can integrate into your workout. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. If you have any questions, concerns, challenges, or experience this yourself, leave that in the comments below. Make sure to check out some other videos. Let me know if there's something else you want to see. Here's to life and fitness.